Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is September 17, 2019. Let's get into the chart to see what the market is currently doing right now. As you can see, at this moment, the market is hit into the SP 500. Right now, they hit to the sell zone, so they're losing some momentum and they pull back now. Uh, and then right now they are go sideways, so we have to see what are they going to do. Technically, in the chart we do see that they have finished this one here, so seem like they are try to find a way to put it back down. If that's the case, then they have to take this one. Okay, so tell us that the momentum will shift to the correction side. But if they continue to go higher, it means that the market is to be able to test the sell zone again. And in the short term, you see that the market is yesterday they break the on Friday they break the trend line support. So Sunday PM they come the first way down, and now they try to claw back up. Okay. So the question is, so there are two scenarios that can happen. So they finish this one, now they test this one. If they be able to take this one again, so they will come back and take this one up here. And then when they get up here, they will see that they be able to continue to go higher. But if they don't go higher, so that will be the end of the move up over here. And then we can see more further downside. But if they be able to continue to go up and break this level, they still have room to grow. So you have to see day by day, okay, to see what they happen. If they come back up and then they continue to go higher, that's okay. But if they don't, they turn around, they go, they take this low, and then we will see that the new correction will come down here. Okay, so that's the two scenario that we have to watch and when the market open to see what they what the institution they want to do. Okay, so right now at this moment, I think at this one they finished the retry A, they pull back B, and then look like they try to go up for C right now. Okay, and then if they don't move higher, then we will take a look from there. And at that time, the daily jack will tell you that it will coming down. Okay, so that's for the ES, and then for the Russell is right here. They touch the sell zone, and then they still hang around there. So right now, if they finish, this is the end of the move, and you're going to have okay 1, 2, and then 3 come down here, or they can do A, B, C down here. If they take this level down here, and then we can tell right away that the Russell will come back down. Okay, so let's see when the market open, how do they want to do? So, but right now they still not take this low yet. So technically they still in the sideways for the Russell right now. Okay, so because if they come down, they will take this low, and then you can know that okay, this is the end of the move. Okay, so then they will correct down, and we'll see they will build up the momentum, or they will go back down and test this low. It depends on how the market react overall. Okay, and then for the Dow they hit to the sell zone, and then they losing momentum, as you can see. So right now they also break the trend line support. So in this side here, you can see that they try to retrace back to this level here. Let's see they be able to hold up to push it higher, because this one it can be a foot way down, and they can push it back up, or they keep continue to go lower. We will see it. There's some buyer they try to get back in right now. If they break the downtrend here, it means that they will go okay, they will go higher. So this is the first leg now, and then let's see when they build up the next leg up to see they be able to go higher. If they don't, then we have a low and low high, and then the market will reverse. And for the Nasdaq, The Nasdaq is right now same thing. Nasdaq is hit to the sell zone, losing momentum. But yesterday they somebody buy back up, so we it do not break this level yet. So technically that they do try to push it back up. So there are two couple of scenarios you can see right now. The high up here, okay. So the top is up here, and the bottom is over here. So either they continue to go back and test them, or they will back this one and take this one and go away in the downside. So and remember, tomorrow is the Fed day. Okay, so the FOMC meeting at 11 o'clock Pacific time and 2 o'clock in the New York time. So we have to see. Very interesting because the people they expect the interest rate to be cut, and then they also give you the whole year forecast on the interest rate also. So that's why you have to be careful. The market can go uh, either way. Okay, so but usually like the day today before the the Fed and now meeting, usually the market it goes sideways because they try to catch up, they try to get the new to see where they go. So we will see that how the market react by tomorrow. Okay, and for the oil they shoot up, they hit to the sell zone, now they go sideways. So you see that they finished the foot way up, okay, and they pull back down. They go back, they test the sell zone, they fail again. So uh, this is the first move, okay, from the bottom to the top. So let's say that they go sideways here, or they will, if they break this one here, they will go up. If they break this one here, they will go and retrace, okay, for the whole move from the bottom to the top, okay. So so they do have not clear direction until they break the top here and go higher, okay. So that we can see it more if they were able to break the sales on here, and then they have chance to go to the next level. But if they don't, they will correct down, okay. And the natural gas, it run out of gas because they go too fast. So right now they are very close to the sales on up here. So it's too late. So you have to wait for this one to pull back down for the wave number two. And the goal is the last couple of days they try to hold up at this level. Okay, so a couple of scenarios for the goal. So if the goal is this is the way three. If they're able to break this level over here, okay, and then the goal will continue to go higher. Okay, if they don't break the level, they break this one here. The goal will get back here. Okay, because right now, if they not get back to this area, it means that the way forward will be top right here, and then they go higher to way number five. That's the last leg move. But if they take out this level, it means that they have a valid retreat into this area here. Okay, so now when the market open today, we will see that they they coming back down here. Okay, they push it back up. Okay, they go back here, but they never break this one here. So right now we have to see that this is the first move up, the second move down, and the third move up here. And if they take this one here, that's the validation that they try to go higher. But if they come back down here, it means that this one here is not done yet on way number four. Okay, so that will go. And for bond they are touching the support retrade area right here. So they have some bow yesterday in the short term, and let's see that this is the first touch. Let's see that, but right now technically they do downtrend. Okay, so if they go inside here, and then that's more valid for the retrade on this move here. So let's see how far they can go, but definitely it's very close to this area here. But the momentum is still in the downtrend right now for bond. Okay, for the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is they finished the foot move up from the bottom on this cycle here, and now they are in the sideways, so that for the second wave here. So we have to see that until they break out this one here in order for them to take up. But other than that, they do surrounding in this area before they can be momentum and break out the trend line here. Okay. So, but in the meantime, the Ethereum it seems like it gained more momentum. Okay, they finished it the way down here, so they try to push back up. So look like Ethereum would get more press. They look like they try to go faster than the Bitcoin right now. Okay, so the last thing here is the euro. The euro, they have a double bottom. They push it back up, and then yesterday we know that they're going to retrace back to this level here. So they hold it twice. So uh, if they be able to break out this line here, and the euro will start moving much higher. Okay, so they have a double bottom formation already, and now they hold it up here. If they break here, definitely they try to find a way to go higher. And at that time, you see the daily check, they will break out the downtrend line here. And then when you see it break out this downtrend line here, the euro will take up. Okay. All right. So that all for the market, but all the indices market uh, pocket today and the current situation and until the market open, we'll see how they develop in the real time. So we can see what direction they're going to go because all the market is hitting the all-time high right now. So we have to monitor them carefully. If you have to reduce uh, your position, don't try to get in too fast, okay? Because we don't know what direction they go until tomorrow afternoon when the Fed announce the interest rate, and then probably we will see more clear direction for the future. All right, so thank you very much for watching the market index analysis.